Alright, so the purpose of doing this is to allow us to print PETG, or pretty much materials other than PLA, that require a hotter temperature at the hot end. Basically, the tube that feeds the filament into the hot end is made of PTFE that degrades quickly above 200 C. And so by replacing just the inner section with a piece of Capricorn tube, which is a special brand of tube that is also PTFE but is supposed to withstand temperatures a little bit better, we can actually extend the life of that PTFE tube. It's not a substitute for an all-metal hot end, but it does help us get off the ground and lets us print PETG without quickly burning through the standard tube that the printer comes with. This fix was posted by CHEP, or Chuck, on his channel, and it's really helped a ton. So what's happening here is I am measuring the length of the portion of the stock tube that goes within the hot end. And the reason for doing that is that we want to cut off the portion that only the portion that sits in the hot end, and we're going to replace that with the blue PTFE tube. Now this measurement doesn't have to be very precise. It's just kind of a ballpark to get our first cut, and then once we make that cut, we can take an additional measurement and cut a little bit more off if we have to. So let's stop here for a second. This is a washer that CHEP has designed and provided for on his video link, and basically this washer will sit on top of the cut portion of the newly installed PTFE tube, and that'll give us a surface onto which we can torque down the pneumatic fitting. So the nice thing about this washer is that we can print it in PLA. Since it's sitting so far away from the actual heat block in the hot end, we don't have to worry about it overheating. And there you have it, your hot end is now upgraded and can print at up to about 260 C or so. Just a note, if you have birds in the house, this PTFE tube is still susceptible to degrading and letting off harmful chemicals. So check the table I've included, which includes ranges of temperatures that are safe for humans and animals. Thanks!